Please do not use your humans to mistreat my animal. Please do not make my animal run within a hopelessness.